Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy Aaron back with another video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but I'm back with another video. I'm playing ZomsRoyale.io with some friends. You probably can't hear them because I'm using Skype and I'm too lazy to buy a different recorder. But I'm planning on doing a YouTube series on this if we can get like 1 like.
There's a rift here.
Okay.
People?
Okay, I'm coming.
Nice. Another one?
Nice.
So much lag. Finishing? Got him.
Nice.
I just lagged out for a second. I got so many potions here.
I'll pop a hybrid.
Yeah, okay.
I'll carry him.
More people this way.
Okay, yeah.
Guys.
Oh, nice.
Not get that kill. Two more.
I got you. Alright, knocked him.
Bro, why do I keep... What the heck? There's so many people...
Oh, okay, I got knocked.
Oh, he has full.
He got, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh, Lord. Oh my god.
Garrett, friendly fire's on. You just shot me up and knocked me.
Friendly fire isn't in this game.
There's no... Those guys were behind the crate and I was getting shot and I got knocked. You're just shooting at me.
Oh my god.
I had 2 kills, 908 damage.
Alright. Guys, if you get any invites from any random people, it's because I'm putting your names and your friend codes and like...
Only if you accept a friend request.
Yeah, obviously.
How many views do you get?
I think my highest is like 3, but I haven't uploaded in like a year.
Dude, it's still in the...
Alright, just leave. I left. Leave. I left. It can't...
I want to try to get another win streak.
Yeah, we had a good one going for us, but then we died. We had 2...
There's like 50 million people in one spot, dude.
Just see
There's 2
here.
people in this, guys. How do you turn off autofill? Guys, just join my...
I have 5 wins in total, but I haven't really played in a while.
Aaron. I have like 6 wins.
Charlie and we have the same wins. That's Cotty Bow.
I have like 2. No, I have 3.
Oh my god, I gotta go take a piss.
I think Aaron has 1 more win than me. Do you guys have any solo wins?
No.
Played solo.
I don't really play solo. When I do, I just do like dumb challenges.
Okay, guys, let's go.
Right here. Guys, here's a pro tip. Never land at any major spots. You can probably get stuff, or better stuff, out of like regular crates out in the open.
Yeah, and then you can go push like the other people.
Yeah, I don't think they can hear you, but I'm gonna rewatch the video and make sure if they can or can't, you know.
I'm landing on this crate. Oh, no, I got another guy there. I'm following this guy that is right next to you.
I just farted. It smells horrible.
Yeah, I hit him some, but I don't feel like chasing. Oh.
Fuck. Knocked him. And I got this.
Hey.
Hey, yo.
So bad. Hey, I'm doing minis, guys, please.
Oh my god. I just got 2 medkits and a big pot out of 1 chest.
Oh, I need the medkit.
Alright, take one of them.
Oh, sweet, minis. Hey, can I, who has minis? Do the minis? I can use them if...
Pop one of the medkits and drop them back to me. I'm carrying.
People,
Yeah. Don't push him.
Why do people always own this chest?
Oh my god. Nice.
I'm looting this house over here. On me. Oh wait, no,
That's me.
yeah.
I'm wearing the sexy galaxy skin.
There's so many. Okay, who's carrying medkits? Because I got one of my
I can carry medkits. I'm already carrying one.
How much does a hybrid do?
It does 25 for each slot, or for each health and.
There's a golden P90 if anyone wants it.
I already got one.
I got a purple.
Oh, okay. Can you handle him?
Punch him to death. Oh,
Another one outside.
Alright, I'm coming. I look like a bad teammate. I'm just looting it.
That dude, these people are so bad.
Bro, like, we're just clapping.
golden P90.
Alright, what is our, or how many kills? How many kills?
I got 3.
I have 1.
Zone.
We got meds. We're fine.
Dude, I've got 3 medkits and big pot.
I need to carry meds. Hey, boss.
Oh, minis.
Hey, boss.
Are you in a fight, Aaron?
No.
Oh, no, you're getting hit by them. There's a rift here.
Oh shit, someone is here. Oh, well, I just cussed.
Dude, there's so many
I
people.
did that, Louis. Dibs it, dude.
For the kill that I get.
Oh, dude.
Where's this kid at? You ain't slick? You ain't getting away from me? Oh god, he's getting away from me. Oh god. Oh, Billy.
Just knocked 2 over here.
Oh no, he's an RPG spammer. Oh, I get it now. Okay.
Oh my gosh, bro. I got 6 kills.
I'm about to die. I'm clapping so nicely. Frick.
I
Guys, help! Help!
I gotta pop this medkit. Okay.
Hurry up!
I'm coming.
Where are you?
Look on the map!
Oh, I see.
Hit me with the res. There's another team down there. I knocked them down.
Pot down there, guys.
Yeah, these are the kids. These are the sweats. Alright. I call that mythic.
Yeah, you call it mythic.
Yeah.
Call whatever that guy is that Garrett's killing.
Yeah. I can't do it with these bursts, bro. They're so bad.
I know, I accidentally picked some of it up. Just like the ammo and stuff. I got a medkit and minis and a big pop.
Dude, I've got like 50 hybrids. Let's go get the shield that's up here, dude. It's like 50 million pots.
Alright, I can carry even more.
Oh my gosh, I'm clapping. I was clapping
Where are
back
they?
there.
Oh, dude, someone's near. Someone's near here. I'm drinking hybrid.
Oh my god. People. I eliminated him, but there are people fighting for the... People are fighting for the supply drop. If we can get it, we won.
Let me get this guy.
No, bro.
You RPG spam... Oh my god.
I'm getting finished. Oh no, I'm not.
Okay, hit me with the res, quick.
Hit me with the res,
Nice, I got him.
Don't lead him toward us, okay.
I have 1 health, guys. I have 1 health.
I have a med kit. I got a med kit right here.
I've got 2 medkits, guys.
Okay, then we're fine.
Dude, we have the best
Call
loot
that
in the game.
mythic gun. Call the mythic gun. No! Dang it, that was the mythic gun I was going for.
Okay.
One of these.
I think this is the last dude. No.
Oh my.
No, there's one more dude.
What's Navy in the gravy?
Over here. There's one more dude. I clapped one of them. Just res me.
Let's go! That was on me.
I had 8 kills.
I had 3, but I was kind of looting up. I wasn't really actually like.
I was clapping.
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick. Bear back. All right, guys, I'm back. I finished using the bathroom. Let's see here. I think like right here. Yeah. Let's try and get another win before the video ends. So I think I'm at like 8 wins now. Oh, come on. I got a whole pot, bro. I don't need that right now. I need a gun. I'll take pots later. Not now. Another pot! I just got a big pot and a mini shield. What? What? Okay, there we go. I'm like actually the king of meds right now. Alright, I'm gonna pop some.
I wonder where that rocket went. Oh wait, I clicked on my.
You're hitting that res? You're hitting that res?
I clicked on my pistol. Like, pew, 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 pew. When I was trying to shoot him. Oh, you got a big one? Go finish that guy. Go finish that guy.
Oh, yeah, yeet, yeah, yeet. Alright,
Nothing good here.
I finished one of them. I got a gold chest on me. I got meds for you. I got meds for you.
Do you have a med kit?
I have shields.
Alright, well, I've got one big pot.
Alright, then I'll give the shields to Yayeet. Garrett, take this.
He gave you that to me. I got bandies, so this is one of the med kits. Okay, wait.
Okay.
Okay, I got 2. Ooh, I need that.
Alright. Let's go in the rift.
Go.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Stop RPG spamming, head ass.
Dude, there's like 50 people with RPGs here. I got this other guy in the white. Knocked a guy. I'm finishing because I want to. But just loot.
Alright, I finished and killed this Nilly. Storm, watch out, watch out.
Why does like everyone have an RPG in this game?
I have an epic.
Oh, people.
He's actually running.
Dude, I need pistol eliminations.
I'm breathing so hard in the mic right now. Nice.
I was just like going to pick up my hearts. Whoa, what the? What is this, guys?
Oh. I can
Where'd
put
it go?
I can put down sprays.
Whoa.
If you press R or T, then you can get it.
I don't have one.
Yeah, you have to buy the battle pass though.
Yeah, I know.
It's like for the rich boy.
It's right there. I want to pick it up.
Hello.
We'll loot over here. Never mind, nothing there.
Alright, let's rift.
Dude, there's like 50 smokes.
For real? Nice.
Smokes. There's the RPG down there. It's the one.
Okay, I only got 2 minutes left on the recorder, so let's try and make the last 2 minutes good. Oh, on me? Alright, I clipped him. Oh my god.
Dude, and I have a god computer, so I don't know how I'm lagging.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't.
Why is there so many squads there?
Alright, I'm gonna finish off the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please leave a like and a subscribe. Comment down below if you want to see us do spots again. Peace.